Yom Kippur. In this parsha, Parshas Achrimos, is speaking about the avodat Yom Hakipurim. The Cohen Gadol used to do all the avodat Yom Hakipurim. There are 5 avodas that the Cohen Gadol did. 3 like every day of the year, and 2 special for Yom Kippur. These 2 special for Yom Kippur, the Cohen Gadol had to wear bigdei lovon. The other ones, they had to wear bigdei zohov. Why? The Gemara says that zohov is merumaz and the egel hazohov, and the Cohen Gadol is mitpalel lechaper al averot, and kategor naaseh sanegor. You cannot use a lawyer, and the lawyer is a averian. So if you want to use the bigdei zohov to be your lawyer, you cannot come to the Kodesh HaKodashim, the Oran HaKodesh, to be mechaper al egel. Your begadim are the begadim of the egel. So all we have to know is the avodah was divided into 5 parts. Bigdei zohov, bigdei lovon. Bigdei zohov, bigdei lovon, and the end, bigdei zohov. So you will have like this: 3 avodos of bigdei zohov, and in between these 3 avodos are 2 avodos of bigdei lovon. What are the avodos of Yom Hakippurim? Actually, it's only 1 avodos bigdei lovon, because the second time he puts on bigdei lovon is only to go to the Kodesh HaKodashim to take out the machto from the ketoides, as we're going to see soon. The first avodah was korban hatomit and korban hamusof. It's bigdei zohov. Then come the bigdei lovon, is the avodas of the shchitas hakorbonos and the ketoides lifnai v'lifnim and the hazoyos with the dam. Then comes the bigdei zohov again, shchitas hachatos be'ahoilo and the tomit shel ben hu arboim. After that, the second avodah of bigdei lovon, which was only to go inside the lifnai v'lifnim to take out the machto of the ketoides. Then he put again bigdei zohov, and he did the ketoides shel ben hu arboim. These are the 5 avodas of the Yom Hakippurim. Before each time that he put on bigdei zohov or bigdei lovon, there is kiddush yadayim v'raglayim and tefillah b'mikvah. He washes his hands and his feet, and he toivel kol gufo in water. Even though it's Yom Kippur and you're not supposed to wash yourself in Yom Kippur, the Cohen Gadol did it 15 times. Tefillah rishono, bigdei zohov, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, tefillah b'mikvah, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, 3rd tefillah, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, the 4th tefillah, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, the 5th tefillah, kiddush yadayim v'raglayim, and kiddush yadayim v'raglayim. This is the Seder avodah. First he makes the tefillah rishono, and he puts the bigdei zohov, and he washes his feet and his hands. Then he makes 7 avodas, bigdei zohov. First, the shchitas atomit and the avodah. Second, the hatovas chomish neres. 3rd, ketoides. 4th, hatovas shtei neres. 5, nesochim. 6, chavitin. And 7, musofim. 1 por and 7 kvosim. He washes his hands and his feet, and he takes off the bigdei zohov, and he makes the 2nd tefillah b'mikvah. Then he puts on bigdei lovon, and he washes his hands and his feet for 3rd time. Then he does the avodah from bigdei lovon, 16 avodas. He makes vidui on the par Cohen Gadol. Vidui is on himself and his wife. Then he makes the goral on the 2 seirim. Then he says the vidui 2nd time on the par, on him and the kohanim. Then he does the shchito and the kabolas adam. But he gives the dam to somebody to hold because he has to wait. This dam is going to be used for matonos in the kodesh kochim and in the heichel. Then he does the ketoides lifnai v'lifnim. Then he goes in again lifnai v'lifnim to do the hazoyos dam hapor. Vidui hasoir and shechito. Then he goes lifnai v'lifnim and he makes the hazoyos with the dam hasoir. Then he comes out and he makes the azoyas dam hapor on the paroiches. Then the azoyas with the dam hasoir on the paroiches. Then he is me'arev the dam hapor into the dam hasoir. Then he gives the 4 matonos on the kronos of Mizbeach and on the gag of the Mizbeach. He goes out and he puts the rest of the dam in the yisod Mizbeach achitzon. Then he makes a vidui on soir mishtaleach and he sends it away. Then he takes out the emorei of the par on the soir. He sends it to the base Asrefa. Then he goes out to Ezra's Noshim and he lanes the Torah. These are the 16 avodas with bigdei lovon. Before he takes off the bigdei lovon, he washes his hands and his feet, and then he's toivel for 3rd time, puts on bigdei zohov, and he washes his hands and his feet. He makes shchita soir chatos, and he gives 4 matonos on the mizbeach achitzon. He puts the emorim on the mizbeach. He takes 2 eilim, one his ayil and one from the tzibur. This is the ayil le'oilo, which is mentioned in Parshas Pinchas. Then he makes the tomit shel ben arboim, and he washes his hands and his feet to take off the bigdei zohov, goes to the mikveh for 4th time. Then he puts on bigdei one, not such expensive one, and he washes his hands and his feet, and he goes inside Kodesh HaKodoshim to take out the kaf and the machto, the ktoides. Comes out, and before he takes off his bigdei one, he washes his hand and his feet. He goes to the mikveh for the 5th time and last time. Puts on the bigdei zohov. He washes his hand and his feet for the 9th time. As the ktoides shel ben arboim, he washes his hand and his feet for the 10th time. And he takes off his bigdei zohov, and he puts on bigdei chol. This is the avodath Yom Hakippurim B'Kitzur Nimras.